Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Here is another yarn unboxing. I hope it's the right thing, the right package. Today I went to the post office to drop 2 packages. When I came home, there were 3 packages that arrived. Yeah, I said to myself, okay, yeah, so this is from Canada. I think this is the yarn that I bought, and look at her lovely stickers. Thank you. Thank you for supporting my business. Thank you. Thank you. Her thing was on, I believe, Marketplace. Oops, I'm so sorry. Marketplace. And, yeah. Okay, unfortunately, I need to rip this to open it. It arrived in a USPS package, so I thought, okay, that's odd, but yeah. Unfortunately, Canada, well, they do have prepaid boxes. I don't know. Anyways, so this lady has a small business and she sells yarn. So I jumped into the wagon ASAP when I saw the yarn that she was saying she had 10, I believe. And I said, I want them, because I paid $17 for the same yarn on Amazon.ca, because we don't have this yarn at our Walmart, unfortunately. I did order from Hirschner's. Okay, I don't know. It's taken forever for them to ship it, and plus, I don't know where the package is, because it was delivered from UPS, and then it was dropped to USPS. Okay, so let's open and see. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, she put a smiley face. Oh my goodness, Teresa. Oh my goodness, isn't this nice? Thank you. Happy crocheting or knitting. Yeah, I'll do all of them. Oh, this is so, oh, nice. Okay. Here we go. She reused the box, so that's no problem at all. Okay. I ordered this yarn because we don't have these yarn here in Canada anymore. I don't think so. Like we used to carry them. They're half cotton, half it's 3 weight. They're 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. I only have few colors of this yarn. I just wanted to go and grab them and show it to you. So I've been hoarding these. So this is not the one. So I've been hoarding these 3 colors that I have. I found this at a dollar or buck or 2 store somewhere here in Edmonton. So I grabbed this. Okay, it's the same. And then I found a blue color. I think this was from Walmart when they were carrying it. And I grabbed this, just, you know, have it in my hand. And I thought, you know, I can make something with these. Well, you know what? It doesn't have the green, believe it or not. It only has the blue. Well, this is like more like a mint blue. Well, she has more in her inventory, so I will definitely check it if I need it, but at the moment. So I grabbed a bag, 3, so I grabbed 5. Can make a baby blanket. Yeah, this is the yarn. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the yarn. Oh, so she packed them in 3. Here it is. See, when these yarn first came out, they were so scratchy. These are like so soft to the skin. And I really enjoyed working with the one that I bought from Amazon, and I thought to myself, I'm definitely gonna, if I find it, I will grab it. So how many did she have? 3, 6. So she had 10, and I took all of the 10 that she had. And on Hirschner's, I can't remember how many I bought from her. And I believe she was selling $7 and some change with Canadian funds. This was more expensive. So this is $7.79. So this was a little bit cheaper, 7 some change. I ordered it through Hirschner's, and then I saw through a Facebook Knitting and Queens group. I can't remember the name. It's a group on Facebook. She went to Joann's to buy some yarn, and she posted there's, I believe, 15. And I jumped into the wagon. I said, I want them, because, well, this just arrived today, so I'm still waiting for the Hirschner's order that I have ordered through online. And yeah, so I want to make something with these yarns. They're beautiful neon colors, and they're super soft to the skin. So totally changed. Like before, it was really scratchy. That's why I didn't want, knit anything with it. Okay, yeah, it says made in USA. So they did something. So I just wanted to share this. So I'm going to be knitting with this yarn. And I am going to do an unboxing. My Centra machine just arrived with today's packages. So I will unbox that one with you. I'm going to do them separately because then the video gets too long and I don't want to go through that. So I'll put this aside and I will be knitting with this yarn. I will knit with you together, and I will put these back. I am happy with my yarn order that I ordered through Canada because I didn't have to pay custom fees. And yeah, so I'm happy. When I'm happy, you guys enjoyed my unboxing. So stay tuned. So I'm going to be opening 2 more packages. The one, yeah, my Centro, I'm hoping that it's going to be working. Put this, squeeze this in, and then I will pack this again. I can reuse this box as well. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, so stay tuned. So I'm going to be unboxing pom-poms that I ordered, and then I will be knitting a hat with you guys, and then with the Centra machine that I'm going to be unboxing. Okay, so stay tuned for the pom-poms that I'm going to be unboxing. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, everybody.